the audio.
The webinar starting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on. How's the flight?
Is this on?
Yep.
It's good. Good. Okay. Cool. Everybody can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, John Crestani here. Sorry I'm a little bit late. Yeah, welcome to the training. I'm going to get on my computer in just a second here. It looks like we have a full house, so make sure nobody leave. We had a lot of people register for this event. We're going to be going over how to create a six-figure side income online. Create your own internet business. Hey, London. What's up? Having some nice drinking. What's up, Ryan?
How's it going?
Hey. Okay, so cool. We're set up here. Cool. Everybody's is the webinar full or?
Slides are all set. I mean, everyone's
Okay.
we got a
Okay. Sorry I'm late. Could you turn off the public chat? Oh, sorry. Can you turn off the public chat? Okay, cool. Okay, so we're turning off the public chat and make sure, but we can still see all of your messages. We do have a full room today, so I'm really excited to get into the training. So once again, my name's John Crestani, and I'm super pumped you're here. So today you're going to discover my simple 3-step blueprint for creating a $2,500 per week online income stream without any tech skills, experience. You don't need your own product. You don't even need an audience. Now, before I go ahead and jump in, I want to make sure that you ask questions throughout the training. You'll see a chat somewhere on the right side of the screen, and definitely ask questions if you need clarity on something and engage with me throughout the training. And the reason I say that is because some of my most successful students literally came through this training just like the one you're seeing today. And they asked tons of questions. They stayed engaged throughout the entire training. So make sure you do as well, okay? So in fact, I'm actually, you see we have a lot of stuff around us here. I'm actually at a mastermind with a bunch of my students and a bunch of people here. So there may be people walking around and whatnot during it, but we're at a marketer mastermind for my most successful students. And, okay. Cool, I'm seeing people in the chat. Okay, so real quick, if everyone can just let me know that you're hearing me all right, just type in your name and where you're from. That would be great. And I just want to make sure everybody's hearing me all right. Okay. Amy from Alabama. We got John from Utah. Melissa we got Canadian here. Toronto, Canada. Okay, New York. Nico from Colombia. Awesome. Okay, cool. So very global crowd. Welcome everyone to the training. And with that being said, let's dive right in. And as I said, I'm going to be sharing my simple formula, how anyone can create a $2,500 per week online income streams without any experience or previous, skills or success in this space. So in fact, this works so well that, here's some of the results from students of mine. You see right here, we say, an awesome way to start my day. My first sale ever. Thank you, John, because all I did was what you said to do. And you see a couple $100 right there. We also have Frank Battison, just started. He spent $200. He made back $1,000. He says that's crazy ROI, right? That's a little better than the stock market. So, and we even have people crushing it, making thousands of dollars as well. You see Ronnie Sandlin here. He just made $71,000 in 1 month. And we also have Tyler Ellison made $1.4 million. Mormon pastor. I think he's still a Mormon pastor, but he's running an online business to pay the bills. And you might be wondering, how are they getting all of these results, right? And they're getting these results because I'm getting these results and I'm teaching them. And I'm personally doing this. And this is an old picture of me. This shows in just a few months, I made almost $1.5 million. And you see the profit figures up there too. And right now, this is an older picture. Right now, I'm currently doing about $900,000 a month. And that may seem a little crazy and unbelievable. I'm trying to show you that this is real, but that you can do just a little bit of that. Now, here's how I know that you can do this, okay? This is easy for anyone to do because you don't need your own product. You don't need an audience. You don't need an email list. You don't need any experience or technical skills. You don't need to buy inventory from China and drop ship it and set up a corporate, email address and all this crazy stuff. You don't need a big budget. You don't need virtual assistants or clients or do sales. You don't need to do any of that stuff. And you can do this no matter what country in the world you're from. You can do this no matter what age you are. I started when I was younger, and there are people at all ages having success doing this. You can do this for just part-time, or you can do this full-time, and it only takes about 4 hours a week. So you can do this even if you have a current job. And you can start this tonight, and I'm going to be showing you how you can literally start making commissions tonight doing this. So